Hello student, this is your moral science book of standard 4 and I am Rupinder Miss, your moral science teacher. So today we will doing the first chapter, that is sharing the rights. I would request that the student, those who are having the book, please open it and use your earphones while watching this video. So come to the point. After our first chapter is sharing the rights. The word sharing means have a proportions of something with another, and the word ride means a journey made on a horse, bicycle or motorcycle or in a vehicle. So we will start read this chapter and I will explain each and every line. The story is about sharing the rights. Siddhartha and Simi lived in the suburbs outside Delhi. Their mothers, Sudha, used to drive them to school on her way to work. Siddhartha and Simi goes to school and her mother used to drop them. And their dad picked them from the school at the end of day. And their dad picked him from the school. Her mom dropped it and dad used to pick them. Every day it was the same. And this was same routine of every day. Sudha dropping them off and dad picking them up. Sudha used to drop them and the dad used to pick them. One day, Beena, who is the neighbor of Sudha, she came and asked from Sudha that would take her children Jenny and Jay to school with Siddhartha and Simi. Beena came and asked from Sudha. Who is Sudha? Siddhartha and Simi mom. And Beena is neighbor of Sudha. Beena came and requested to Sudha that would take her children Jeannie and Jad to school with Siddhartha and Simi. My car has broken down and the cab will not reach in time, said Beena. Of course, I will take them, Sudha said happily. And the Sudha said, yeah, of course, I will drop them. And in fact, I will ask my husband to pick up Jenny and Jay as well when he picks Siddhartha and Simi from school. Sudha said to Beena that I will drop them, but I will say to my husband also that he used to pick them as they pick Siddhartha and Simi. Are you sure? Beena asked. Of course I am, replied Sudha, opening the car door, and the Sudha opened the car's doors and allowed Jeannie and Jay to sit in the car. Reassured, Beena left Jeannie and Jay with Sudha, but got thinking. She wondered why had she not thought of this before. Beena thought that this thought I have not think before. Why? The two families means two families. Who are two families? Sudha's family and Bina's family dropped the children in two separate cars. Bina used to drop their children and Sudha used to drop their children. Both their cars and half empty. Means both of them using different car, and the children used to go in same school. So she is thinking that why don't we use one car? If they share a ride, they would. Means Bina is thinking that now we will share the rides, have a lots of time and petrol. Means if they share, they will save the time and petrol. The car would also be full. In fact, if everybody tried to share rides, there would not be so many cars on the road. She's thinking and telling that if everyone share their rides, then there will not many cars on the road and traffic would be less, and even the pollution level will be also reduced. And whatever Bina is thinking, she is sharing her thoughts with her husband. She explained all this to her ex-husband in the waiting room at the garage while their car was being fixed. He looked at Bina with a smile and said, "Well, you have wonderful idea." Her husband told to Bina that you have wonderful idea. People should share. It's fun sharing. Her husband is happy with this idea. That evening, Bina and her husband shared this idea with Sudha and her husband. And both of them gone to Sudha and her husband and shared this idea. Even Sudha agreed. And then Sudha agreed that it was indeed a good way to use resource. She told that this is good way to use resources. Siddhartha, Simi, Chini and Jay also agreed, and all these children are also agreed. Both parents are agreed and children also agreed. From the next day onwards, the children started sharing rides, and they sharing the rides. One week it was Sudha who took them to school and her husband picked them from school. The next week it would be Bina's turn to drop and pick the children from school. And both parents agreed, and like that, 1 week Sudha used to drop their children, drop all 4 children, and her husband picked them from the school. And another week Bina used to drop them and pick them from the school. When they started sharing rides, the children often stayed and played at each other's house too. And after that, the children also playing together. They shared meals and games, and their parents shared stories, and the children used to play, and parents also used to get together and share their stories with each other. They did their homework together, and the children used to do homework together and enjoyed and share their toys also. They even share grandparents. Chini and Jaz's grandparents live in Jaipur, but Siddhartha and Simi's grandparents live just down the road. It was good to hear grandma's stories about the old days and to eat their homemade goodies and help the children that things out of waste. I am glad your car broke down that day, and after that, both the families are happy and enjoyed a lot and make fun. And after that, Sudha said to Bina that I am glad that your car is broken. We are like one big family. Now we are big family, and it's much more fun for all of us. So students, now chapter is completed. It is really a good chapter and nice lesson. From this lesson we get the moral that sharing the things will make us happy. And now come to the objectives questions. This is fun activities like use the given keys to decode the message. 10. What is W? Write W in one place. I 22. T 17. H with sharing. S 17. H A 6. R I N G. Student, like this you will complete this one also. And question number 1, sequence the following sentence in the same order as they happen in the story. You have to do this one by yourself. Means this sentence are in not a same order, not in sequence. You have to number it according to chapter. This is your work, and make sentence, and I will give you the question answers in Tenno app. So today's class is over. In next class I will teach you chapter 2. Thank you.